Hello travelers, how are you? Yay, it's Anaïs! Welcome back to my channel! So today's video, I'm gonna say the 5 safe destinations for solo female travelers. They are the bravest, so welcome to my channel travelers. And if you're new here, if my positive vibes resonate with you, go click that subscribe button. Don't forget the bell to be notified for my newest video, and put a thumbs up for helping my channel, and don't hesitate to share that video for other solo travelers as me and as you.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head.
The first destination I will definitely advise you as a solo traveler, and even more for as a female, Budapest in Hungary. I went twice in April and May, in 15 days between. Best destination ever for solo travelers. That city is beautiful, very well located, the transport public cheap, very easy to use, just perfect vacation, holidays, and maybe for business trip. But who knows, maybe you are a business woman and you have a business stuff to go in Budapest, but don't worry, there is very safe. I felt very safe, even with my bag, with my stuff, even when I went to restaurants, even to walk at night. And that's very important for me. First, go to Budapest. It's a very cheap city to go for, even hotels, the food. So Budapest, first destination for solo traveler, female, go for it. The second city, I have to say, I'm French, but as a solo female travelers, go to Paris! Go to Paris, have that kind of Emily in Paris experience. I went during last Christmas alone. It was a beautiful Christmas ever. Paris is very safe city, and even during the night I felt very safe when I went to go to movie theaters or even to the opera at night, and back at work, just said to my hotel, it was just 15 minutes I walk, I felt very safe. So go to Paris, don't worry, but of course make sure to be careful with your stuff, as the zero risk doesn't exist, but you can go definitely to Paris. Go for it. I use Uber there and cab. I didn't take the metro line because I was too lazy for it, just said. At Christmas I can't be lazy, so I take the easy way. It was Uber. And but yeah, as a female solo traveler, you can definitely go to Paris. It's a dream French city. It's a French city goal for a lot of stranger foreigner. It's the loving city of Paris. The third destination that felt very safe. Welcome to the California dream, and I mean LA, Los Angeles in California in USA. I went twice. The last time was already in 2019. I missed so much California already. That was a beautiful experience. I spent 15 days there. My dream come true in there. Like Hollywood dream, Walk of Fame dream. As a solo female travelers, I took an Airbnb with a wonderful woman who took only female travelers. She was really amazing. It was in Santa Monica. She was very sweet, loving. So if you want to have a California dream experience, even you're a female solo traveler, go to Los Angeles. Who doesn't want to know that beautiful city? Who doesn't want to know California? You can definitely go. I felt safe. I used Uber too. Was easy for me too. Was it cheap actually at that time? I don't know right now, but use Uber. Do take the easy way for yourself on vacation. Yeah, there are so many things to do in Los Angeles. Visit the Warner Bros. Studio, the Universal Studio, the Hollywood stars, celebrities, universe. You will be so amazed and even to go to the beach in Santa Monica or even Malibu. I went to Long Beach. Gorgeous vacation, and I'm already to go there. I'm looking forward to go again a third time, even more. Just go and enjoy the California dream, the American dream. Yeah. If you're looking for some culture, go to Greece and go to Athens. I got a vlog of Athens. I went this summer. It's October already. I can't believe that. Go as a solo female travelers in Athens. It's very safe place. I felt safe during at night too. It was a perfect experience to go to the Acropolis, go to the museum, and even to do a day cruise. I will link that video, my vlog down below. Go check it out. Yeah, Athens was a big dream since I was little. It was a beautiful experience, and even alone. I went to, of course, to my hotel room, and the hotel was very loving, very amazed. The staff was gorgeous, and yeah, Athens, it's a spot to do as a female solo travelers and to have the sunny vibe. And the last fifth safe destination, let's go to the north and to Sweden. So I will advise you go to Gothenburg in Sweden. It's a small town, very coffee, very kind of little city vibe. Sweden is very perfect as a female solo travelers. I felt so safe, and I went a few times. I don't remember how many times. And even in Stockholm, you can definitely go to Sweden, and you will feel so safe. And even in Sweden, they speak very perfectly English. Even in Athens, just say it. It's always good to know as a French speaker, vlogger, channel, YouTuber, as me. Yeah, I know pretty good at English, but you can definitely hear my French accent. I'm pretty sure you notice it. But yeah, go to Sweden. Why not, after all? It's not very touristic during the summer. So yeah, if you want to spend a small time in a small city, or even the north of Sweden, yeah, why not? Or even go to skiing during winter. Sweden is a very beautiful country to go. So that was my 5 safe destination city as a female solo traveler. I hope you can like it. Don't hesitate to subscribe, hit the bell, put a thumbs up, let's go, and go check my 2 new videos. Will pop here, and I will see you next week. Bye bye, travelers!
But if I lay down and I play dead